This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, November 11th, Veterans Day 2013. Now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run. This is at noon today, and we have some cold air coming down. We have some energy moving through James Bay, through the Great Lakes. That's going to bring down a cold weather pattern into the first part of this week. You can see a frontal system coming through. It could spark off some light snow showers mixed in with a little rain early in the day. Highs will be dropping from the 30s and 40s down into the teens overnight, Monday night into Tuesday morning. Any accumulation is expected to be a half an inch or less. High pressure overhead Tuesday. Temperatures around 30 for highs. It'll be bright and sunny, but it will not feel bright and sunny. It'll feel nice and cold. That looks to continue into the early part of Wednesday, but then the temperatures will start to increase as the winds switch around to the south and west. Temperatures will be bumped back into the 40s to near 50. And that looks to also continue even here into Thursday. There could be a disturbance, or there will be a disturbance starting to move in that could trigger an isolated shower. It could be mixed in with a little bit of snow or sleet with temperatures in the 40s to lower 50s. That system moves off to the east on Friday. Temperatures will cool back into at least the 40s for highs, with partly to mostly sunny skies around. No real big cold blast behind this system. Saturday, heading into the next weekend, the winds begin to veer back to the southwest, but the temperatures won't really boost up much. Maybe upper 40s to low 50s around. Not a big drastic pull. Sunday, next system. This one looks a little bit stronger. This could bring some rain and or snow to the area, with highs around 42 to maybe 52 northwest to south and east. And a week from today, next Monday, you can see that trough beginning to dig in across the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, into New England, and even a trough hanging back into the desert south and west. And that system will start to pull off to the east over the eastern Great Lakes, New England, into the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys, and into Texas, where they could see some decent rains. Around here, it looks to be fairly cool, with highs around 40 or the mid-40s at that. A couple of days after that, into the extended period on November the 22nd, we have a southwesterly flow aloft, a cutoff feature over the Virginias and eastern Kentucky. With that pattern, it looks to be somewhat warm at this point, with highs maybe around 50, with the 540 line well to our north, and a lot of stormy action in Canada and also over the southeast. And then as we head to the end of the period, this is on November 26th. This is 2 days before Thanksgiving, so travel plans will be in effect this time, the Tuesday the 26th or Wednesday the 27th. We have a system departing our neck of the woods, and this could bring a big snowstorm to the Great Lakes and maybe over New England, so it could be rather interesting if this is to be right, but this is still more than 2 weeks out, and it could change, however. Satellite image from last evening, we had some high and mid-level clouds across the northern tier of the country. That's with that push of much colder air coming southward, and some moisture coming into the Pacific Northwest with a storm there. Watch warning map from last evening, we had some winter weather issues over Montana. We had a hard freeze warning in the parts of Oklahoma and North Texas, and a dense fog advisory in the panhandle of the same states, elsewhere fairly quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock, showing very little, if any, moisture around here. Maybe a trace or a tenth of an inch of precipitation, but it looks to be fairly light at this point.